The Three Little Pigs and the Wolf Story. There were three little pigs who wanted to make their own house, so they went into the jungle to make their own house. The first little pig made the house of hay. The second little pig made the house of sticks. And the third little pig made the house from bricks. The three of them enjoyed a lot. They loved to dance and sing. One day, one little pig was playing a violin. And as he was playing the violin, the wolf saw him, and smelling him, he reached to his house. And the wolf was thinking, how to get this pig? But the pig didn't open the door. So the wolf huff, puff, and blew the hay house. And the pig got scared and went running to his brother, whose house was made of sticks. But the wolf again huff, puff, and blew his house also. And they both ran to their brother, whose house was made of bricks. The wolf tried to blow his house also, but the wolf got tired. How to blow his house? His house is very strong, the wolf thought. Then he thought of an idea. Can I jump from the chimney and go inside? But the pig living in the brick house was very smart. He kept a hot water pot under the chimney. And due to hot water, the wolf got burned and went running in the forest. Thank you.